Lesson 4.2 Parameter versus localparam. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. You will set parameter width and localparam max value in the jaw. Override friendly width versus fixed max value, then simulate pass. Parameter can be overridden at instantiation with hash with the localparam is internal and fixed. Callers cannot change it. Use parameter for knobs. Localparam for private constants like max value. With th sizes the bus. Max value is an internal saturation constant. Your TODOs are width equals 8 and max value equals 8 SFF. Fill 8 and 8XF, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we run simulation and verify the behavior in the log. Open simulation and press run. The log prints data in and data out pairs, then bus. In Surfer, right-click the TP scope and add the signals. Watch data in and data out on Surfer across the test vectors. Yosys elaborates the parameterized width into concrete gates. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review. Parameter WYD is overridable. Localparam max value is not. The test bench exercises a few values, including the max sentinel. That is parameter versus localparam. See you in the next lesson.